Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you several ways how you can back up your data on Jira, for example, from your Jira site. So let us dive right into it. So guys, in the first step, head over to your Jira site and log into your account. If you doing this for the first time, guys, simply head over to Google search, type in Jira and select one of the first search entries here, for example, by Atlassian or this one. Click into it, and on the next page, log into your account by clicking into sign in. And on the next page, you will get asked by Jira to select your site. So once you're inside your Jira site, guys, you may, for instance, request a backup or an export of your Jira site data. For instance, if you accidentally made changes you would like to reverse or restore a previous version, or if you have lost access to your Jira site and your data. So doing these backups and these exports of your Jira site may turn out to be pretty beneficial if you do it frequently. So guys, this is option number one, how you can back up your Jira site data. What you want to do is here from your overview or home screen is click into this button in the top right corner, into that gear icon here, and from that menu below here under Jira admin settings, select system. So once inside your Jira admin settings, guys, what you want to do is take a look at that panel here to the left and switch from general configuration all the way down to import and export, and here select backup manager. And what you want to do in the next step, guys, is simply click into this button here, create backup for a cloud. Bear in mind, then you can do that. You can do a backup or perform a backup for your Jira site data only for the cloud. For server backups or backup for servers have been discontinued, as you can see, guys, so it doesn't work anymore. There is, though, a workaround for this. For instance, you can use the CSV file import wizard according to this information here to move your exported or backup data from the Jira cloud to the data center. However, guys, we're going to focus on that backup for the cloud. And a quick word of explanation here, guys. Backup for your data here on Jira means basically that you back up all projects within your Jira site, like your Kanban boards, your Scrum boards, and so on and so forth, be it team managed or company managed. So once you're ready, guys, simply click into this button here, create backup for cloud. Now, if I click on that button here, I won't be able to download that cloud backup now because I just requested one of these backups, and you can request only one cloud backup within 48 hours. So as you can see, I will have to wait another 47, but it's actually very simple, guys. Depending on the file size and the size of your Jira site and its projects, it may take a moment for Jira to prepare your download for your cloud backup, but after a brief moment, at least in my case, my download link was ready, and you will find it here below, download cloud backup, so that you can download it, for example, in a zip folder. Head over to your download folder on your device, unzip or unpack the folder, and there you go. There you will see your cloud backup. One option number two, guys, would be to use one of the backup applications supported by Jira in their library. To do that, head over or head back to your Jira site overview, and here expand apps on the left panel and click into explore more apps. Next, use that search bar here and type in, for example, backups. Let me do that really quickly. You may use also one of these suggestions. Let me go with this one here. Press enter, and after that, scroll through that list and pick the backup application you would like to use. So let me go with this one here for demonstration purposes. To install it, simply click into this button in the top right corner. Wait for the installation to be finished. In some cases, there might be a small setup process. So let me go through it really quickly. Usually you will get asked, for example, to select a site, your Jira site, for obvious reasons. So let me go with this one here. After that, click into review here. Click on this button there. Wait for the installation to be finished. That may or may not take a moment. Usually it shouldn't take it more than a couple of seconds, so let us give it a moment. You will see the progress here in that circle in the top right corner. And there you go. As you can see, according to this notification in the bottom left corner, the backup application has been successfully installed and added to my library. So let me click off that window here. So in some cases, guys, it might be necessary to refresh your browser so that Jira may update also your app library. And as you can see, that application has been added to my list of applications here. So to access the given application, if you'd like to perform your backup through this application, guys, you may select it from that list of apps here to the left. If you don't see it here, simply head over to the application inside the application library here on Jira. Click into Manage Apps here in the top right corner. After that, select Take Me There. That is going to redirect you to your administration center of your Jira site. To be more precise, here to the connected apps list here to the left. So here we'll see all applications we have already installed here under installed apps. So simply go to the list, find the backup application you would like to run, and access it to perform a manual backup depending on the type of backup application you installed, because these may vary of course in their functions and features. So guys, that's basically it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.